Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I want to show you a new thing. Like currently just few minutes back I was facing an issue that while creating a React Native project I was getting an issue that CocoaPod installation failed, and this has mostly to do with Ruby version. I'm on macOS. I'm not really sure because I will be showing you few commands. I don't know how to do it for Windows, sorry about that. So basically the error which I was getting is something like this: CocoaPods was resolved to this, which depends on this, and this something like this, which I couldn't really figure it out. So later on I came to know the issue was because of not the right version being referenced for Ruby. So firstly what you will have to do is you will have to install Homebrew. I think many of you would already have that. Once you have Homebrew installed on your macOS, you will have to run this particular command of brew install rbenv. So this is kind of like a Ruby package manager. So once you install this will take a lot of time, so be patient. Once that is installed, so whatever is the latest version at the time of you watching this video, or whatever version of Ruby you want to install, you can install it something like this. So I'm using 3.3.0, but use whatever you feel like. Once you have installed it, you can set it using this particular command rbenv global 3.3.0. now the problem happens is you might be thinking that okay, I have set this version of Ruby globally, but this is not the case. If you then try to run Ruby dash version inside your terminal, you will still get an older version, because macOS I think comes with an version of Ruby already pre-installed. So you will still see something older version like 2.6 or something, whatever will be the older version which came with macOS. Now to update it, you will have to run this particular command as well. So once you run this particular command, then only this rbenv version will take place, and then again you can just run a normal React Native command like npx React Native init, or if you are using a React Native community template, you can use that as well. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.